around there as well, but the heavier stuff will be back more toward the mountains. This is NPR News. Federal Reserve policymakers are wrapping up a two-day closed-door meeting today, and they're expected to announce a wait-and-see approach to determine if actions the Fed took back in August and September are having a positive economic effect. Fed's policy options are dwindling, and experts say hitting the pause button will buy time in hopes that some faint signs of the economy's rebound will go stronger. The central bank will also... Then Bernanke will hold a news conference to discuss the Fed's new outlook. The process of redrawing congressional and legislative districts in Arizona has been thrown into doubt. And here's Ted Robbins reports the head of the state's redistricting commission was impeached last night.
Arizona is one of a few states with an independent redistricting commission that's supposed to make the once-a-decade process of creating congressional and legislative districts more fair than if the legislature drew them out. But Republicans began complaining that the commission chair, registered independent Colleen Mathis,